Hello, my name is René Habermann and I'm the director of Bipin Bits. We are an indie studio making games with Godot based in Germany. Right now we are 6 people. We are working on Planetenverteidigungskanonenkommandant, PVKK in short. This is a game centered around firing a big cannon from a small bunker room with very satisfying controls. First-person 3D game. Godot is a great choice for us because it allows super fast iteration. I feel like iteration speed is really the most important thing in making indie games because nothing is really good from the get-go. You really need to improve it over time. A tool that allows you fast iteration, that's quick to use, that's easy to get into, that's just a great help. I switched to Godot in 2019 after evaluating a few different options. I was coming from a programming framework and Godot immediately clicked. Like it was so easy to use, it was very slim and fast. The whole node system was very elegant. GDScript is great because it allows super fast iteration speed. Because you can just take many shortcuts in a way, but still build a stable product. For example, our first commercial product, Dome Keeper, is written completely in GDScript. So it's absolutely viable also to make a commercial game with GDScript only. The most important thing for us as a developer is to make fun games. And iteration speed is really key for that. And Godot, I think, has the best usability, at least from the tools I tried. It really helps push forward the fun. Generally, the players really care about the game. The engine is kind of secondary. If the game is good, they are happy. If the game is bad, they are not so happy, no matter what engine you use. But what we do experience with Godot, a lot of people really like the engine and appreciate that it's open source and a community project. We do get a lot of positive feedback whenever we mention that we use Godot. It's also great for many devs, and that was also a big thing for me, that Godot is free actually, that you don't have to pay for it. What I also really appreciate about Godot is that it's kind of not corruptible. It cannot ever be sold, and there can never be investors looking to squeeze money out of the engine itself. So it feels like a stable tool to have for the future. Just great for us. So I was immediately hooked. In the future, we are definitely excited about bringing games to consoles. We also want to explore a little bit to make VR games or to port one game to VR maybe. We will see about that, and definitely make many more games. We already have more games in the works. We do all our game jams with Godot. So yeah, we absolutely are excited about making more games. Also about new Godot versions, especially now that so many people help contribute to Godot. The new versions come with a lot of great features. I think it's great that W4 Games kind of champions the whole console porting for Godot, so that we as a developer have an easy option to eventually bring our games to consoles. I think generally it's great that W4 exists because I feel like there are some things the foundation can't really do or can't finance. So it's great to have W4 around to push the ecosystem forward.